Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Guys, today we are taking it outside again. We're super excited. Gary, what is on the menu for today?
We're doing not your typical burn-ins today. We're gonna mix it up a little bit and we're gonna go with the smoked sausage route. So we're doing smoked sausage burn-ins today.
Yes, sir. We're gonna show you how we do it. Let's go. Hey.
Okay. Should we rehearse that handshake?
All right, guys, first things first, we're gonna clean up that grill.
Then we're gonna do a little bit of tumbleweed action here, get it sparking.
All right, so today's wood, we're using hickory and mesquite.
A little bit of smoked sausage here. Gonna do little fine slits, not all the way through, just enough to get that smoke getting into the meat.
Oh yeah, and then that grill is gonna be trying to go between 2 and 250 today.
And we're ready for the meat to go on the grill. Got your steak rub, the BBQ rub.
Yes, sir. Oh man, some of the best rubs on the market, dude.
Then we got your homemade sauce here, just showing you a little bit of it. We can put the recipe on for you.
It looks kind of cool on camera.
In the description.
It looks like it's like a strobe effect, bro.
Yes, sir. So once we got it all sliced up and it's been on for about 30 minutes or so, we're gonna finish those slits.
Butter in first.
Butter in and drizzle that sauce over, give it a good mix, and we'll throw it back on the smoker for about 10 minutes to thicken up.
We like to put in a little bit of seasoning on top of that as you're mixing it in.
Oh man, Gary, just look at that.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Ooh, man.
All right, y'all know what time it is? Taste test.
All right.
Okay.
All
right, y'all know what time it is? Taste test. All right. Oh, look who it is. Right when we've got the food ready. How convenient.
Dabbing it up.
Hey, let's try it, bro. Cheers.
Do it. Cheers, brother.